Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Amazon Web Services, AWS, provides a powerful and flexible cloud computing platform. Boto3 is the official AWS SDK for Python, allowing developers to interact with AWS services using Python scripts. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the basics of using Boto3 to interact with AWS services. AWS Account, make sure you have an AWS account. If you don't have one, you can sign up here. Python installed, ensure that you have Python installed on your machine. You can download Python from python.org. Boto3 installed, install Boto3 using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Before you start using Boto3, you need to set up your AWS access credentials. You can do this by creating an IAM user in the AWS Management Console and obtaining the access key ID and secret access key. Replace your _access _key and your _secret _key with your actual AWS access credentials. Let's create a simple example to upload a file to an S3 bucket. Make sure you have an S3 bucket created in your AWS account. Replace your S3 bucket name, path /to/your/file.txt, and file.txt with your actual S3 bucket name, file path, and object key. Let's create another example to list all S3 buckets in your AWS account. This script retrieves a list of all S3 buckets and prints their names. Boto3 provides a convenient way to interact with AWS services using Python. This tutorial covered the basics of setting up Boto3, configuring AWS access credentials, and provided examples of uploading a file to S3 and listing S3 buckets. Explore the Boto3 documentation for more details and a comprehensive list of AWS services supported by Boto3.